Hello everyone. So this is in continuation to solving of model question paper, what we did in the last two videos. This is the third video in continuation. 17th question, what will be the value of 9 to the power of 6 multiplied by 9 to the power of minus 4 multiplied by 9 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9 to the power of 3 multiplied by 9 power 6. So since every base is 9 and it is common, we can add the indices. So we can say 9 power 6 minus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. So that will give us 6 minus 4, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 6, 13. So it is 9 power 13, which means the option is A. Let us move on to the next question. Find the square of the difference of the roots of 115 plus 5 times x to the power of 2 minus 12x equal to 0. First, let us expand the given equation. 115 plus, no, we need not expand. What we can do, we will divide both sides by 5. Because we may notice here it is 115 which is divisible by 5 and here it is 5. So we can divide by 5. So if we divide by 5, we get 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and plus x square minus 12x equal to 0. That can be rewritten as x square minus 12x plus 23 equal to 0. So it is like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where here a is 1, b is minus 12 and c is 23. So therefore, using the formula for a quadratic equation, which is x will be equal to minus b. So minus of minus 12 plus or minus square root of b square. So minus 12 the square minus 4 into a into c under root whole thing divided by 2 times a, which is 1. So you get 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12, the square is 144 minus 4 3s are 12, 1, 4 2s are 8, 9 divided by 2. So that becomes x equal to 12 plus or minus square root of this will be 52 by 2. So which means roots are 12 plus root 52 by 2. Another one is 12 minus root 52 by 2. Here the question is square of the difference of the roots. First we will see difference. Here it is 12 plus root 52 divided by 2 minus 12 minus root 52 by 2. So denominator is common, so straight away we can subtract the numerators. 12 and 12 gets cancelled. Root 52 minus of minus 52, you get 2 root 52 by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So now the square of this difference is square root of 52, the square. So that means the root will get cancelled. You get 52 as the solution, which means option D is the right option. Let us move on to the next question. A tin manufacturer has a revenue function given by capital R equal to 11 times Q power 2 minus 100 times Q plus 70, and the cost function is given by C equal to 22Q. Find the number of tins to be produced by the manufacturer. the optimal number of tins can be obtained by equating marginal revenue and marginal cost. So, marginal revenue, which is MR, that will be derivative of total revenue with respect to the quantity. Then marginal cost, which is MC, that will be derivative of total cost with respect to the quantity. So let us find out those two, marginal revenue and marginal cost. Revenue is given as 11Q square minus 110Q plus 70. This means first derivative, that is marginal revenue, is the derivative of this with respect to Q. So if we differentiate Q square, it is 2Q. So 2Q into 11 is 22Q. And if I differentiate Q with respect to Q, it is 1. So it is simply 110. If I differentiate 70 with respect to Q, since 70 is a constant, it is 0. So only this much is the marginal revenue. Then comes marginal cost. It is derivative of total cost with respect to quantity. And my cost is given as 22Q. If I differentiate Q, it is 1. So it is simply 22. Now, we will equate marginal revenue to marginal cost. We will get 22Q minus 110 is 22. That means 22Q is 22 plus 110, or we say 22Q is 132. So therefore, the optimal Q, or Q, will be 132 by 22, which will give you 6. That means 6 tins is the optimal number of tins. Find the number of tins to be produced, that is 6. That means option B is the right option. Let us move on to the next question. X to the power of 2 divided by 16 plus y to the power of 2 divided by 4 equal to 1 is an implicit function, the derivative of this function. So derivative means we have to find out what is dy by dx. Let us write the function first. By 16 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. What do we get? 1 by 16 is a constant, keep it as it is. If I differentiate x square, it is 2x. Here 1 by 4 is a constant. If I differentiate 2y, y square, it is 2y. And y is a function of x. We have to differentiate y again with respect to x. You get dy by dx. If I differentiate 1, since it is a constant, it is 0. So now this can be simplified as x by 8 plus y by 2 dy by dx equal to 0. So we will bring that, means we will keep y by 2 dy by dx equal to minus x by 8, which means our dy by dx will be this term, that is this y by 2. If it comes to the right side, it will become reciprocal, means 2 by y, it will become multiplied by minus x by 8. This goes with this 4 times, so we get minus x by 4y. That will be the solution, which is our option B. Option B is the right option. So we will stop till this in this video. We'll continue in our next video.